Let's move on to the second method for dividing polynomials. This is called synthetic division. It is definitely quicker than using long division, but you can only use it when your divisor is 2 terms and the leading coefficient is 1. Okay? So the way you figure out how to set up your problem, first of all, let's talk about what goes on the outside. If you set this equal to 0 and solve it, you subtract 1 and you get x equals -1. That's what you're going to put on the outside. Okay, on the inside, we set this up just like we did for long division, except we don't include our variables, only use the coefficients. So if you notice here, the highest degree is a 4. We are missing our cubed term and our squared term, 432, and here will be 1 and 0, so minus x minus 4. This is the polynomial that we're dividing into. So we need a 3, a 0, a 0, a -1, and a -4. 3, 0, 0, -1, -4. Okay, once you get this set up, it's really fast and really quite simple once you get the hang of it. You always bring the first one straight down, and then you multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, all the way down this problem. So we multiply -1 times 3, that's -3, add, multiply -1 times -3, add, multiply -1 times 3, add, multiply -1 times -4, and add. The number at the end is always the remainder. So what happens with all of our variables? Notice our original problem started as a 4th degree polynomial. So you're going to reduce it by 1 because you divide it by this one, right? So you reduce that by 1, this becomes your x cubed. So the exponent is decreased, 3, 2, 1, 0. So your quotient is 3x cubed minus 3x squared. That's a positive 3x and a -4. Since the remainder is 0, that's all we have to do.